Isha here and welcome to another exciting vlog from Curious Glimpses. Nature has so much in store for us. Today I'm going to show you another wonder of nature, which is truly spectacular. Last weekend, we happened to visit Pinklake in Ras al Khaimah. Pinklake is located in Al Saraya Island near Rams Beach in Ras al Khaimah. It was really a treat to our eyes. The water appeared bright pink against the beach sand. Since we reached there by evening and it was getting dark, by then we could not cover the beauty of the place to the fullest. Drone images of the unusually fluorescent mini lake were first shared on social media by an Emirati student, Amar Al-Farsi. The color of the lake is due to red algae, which is a bloom of algae that usually occurs in coastal area. When there is a magnesium in water, the salinity of the water is very high than that of sea water. Rams Beach near to this lake is another place to hang out with your family. if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.